What is an account balance? This is something that is for layman's. Please watch if you want to. Have you ever checked your bank account and seen a number but wondered what it actually represents? That number is called your account balance, and it's more important than most people realize. Okay? So an account balance is simply the amount of money currently in your financial account. It shows how much you have available at a specific moment in time. In simple terms, it answers one question: how much money is in my account right now? Now that might sound straightforward, but there's a bit more to it. Your account balance changes constantly. Every time money goes in, like a salary, a transfer, or a refund, your balance increases, and every time money goes out, like paying bills, shopping, or withdrawals, your balance decreases. Let's look at a quick example. Imagine you have 1,000 in your account, which is highly unlikely in most cases right now. We receive 500 as a salary, which is very, very low to live on nowadays. So your balance becomes 1,500, which is great. I don't have that much. Then you spend 200 on bills and 100 on groceries. Now your balances drop to 1,200 because you've spent 300. The final number is 1,200 is your account balance, but here's where it gets interesting. There are actually different types of balances. This is where people often get confused. The first is your current balance. This is the real-time amount in your account, including all transactions that have already been processed. The second is your available balance. This is the amount you can actually spend right now. It may be lower than your current balance. There are pending transactions, like card payments that haven't fully cleared yet. For example, if your account shows 1,200, but you recently made a $100 purchase that hasn't been processed, your available balance might be 1,100. This distinction is very important because spending based on the wrong balance can lead to overdraft fees. Now, why does account balance matter? Because it's the foundation of managing your money. It helps you track spending, avoids overspending, and to understand your financial position at any moment. A common misunderstanding is thinking your balance is always the exact amount you can spend. But as we've seen, pending transaction can change that. Another misconception is ignoring small transactions over time, and those can add up significantly and affect your balance without you noticing. So what's the key takeaway? Account balance is the amount of money in your account at any given time. But you need to understand the difference between a current available balance and to manage your money properly. Current and available balance and to manage your money properly. And once you understand that, you will have much better control over your finances just by knowing exactly what the number really means. What do you think of that video? I need water.